Now we are discussing about uh, BIS, that is in economics. What is BIS? BIS is the Bureau of Indian Standards, is the national standards body of India under Department of Consumer Affairs, Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Government of India. It is established by the Bureau of Indian Standards Act 2016, which came into effect on 12th October 2017. Founder is Parliament of India and jurisdiction is India, and founded on 23rd December 1986. Headquarters Manak Bhavan, Old Delhi. Agency executives Pramod Kumar Tiwari, IAS, and Director General. Agency executive. Parent agency is Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. And what BIS mean? That is Bureau of Indian Standards, is the national standard body of India. BIS is responsible for the harmonious development of activities of standardization, marking and quality certification of goods and for matters connected therewith or incidental thereto. And what is BIS needed? BIS certification scheme is basically voluntary in nature. However, for a number of products, compliance to Indian standards is made compulsory by the central government under various considerations. That is, considerations. In which next point is in which products BIS is mandatory. All models and brands of USB driven barcode readers, barcode scanners, iris scanners, optical fingerprint scanners are classified under IS 13252, that is part 1, and are required to get BIS registration before its launches or import into the Indian market. And next point is what is the cost of BIS certification? 20,000, 25,000 rupees, that is including one test report. For additional test report included with the application, additional processing fee of 10,000 rupees per test report will be charged. So, this quality testing also will be there. By all those things, first you should pay 10,000, then remaining 15,000. For processing fee itself is 10,000 rupees. That is. And next point is what are the documents required for BIS certificate? Name and address proof for of the applicant and the factory, proof of establishment manufacturing unit such as certificate incorporation or registration certificate, MOA, that means Memorandum of Understanding, and etc. SSI or MSME. SSI means small scale industries and MSME means micro, small, medium enterprises certificate, details of outsourcing of the manufacturing process. And next point is what is BIS license number? Together with the marketing license, the CM by L BIS license number for BIS ISI or the R number for BIS CRS is also assigned. This will be a 7 or 8 digit number to simplify the identification of a product in the production plant. And next point is what is BIS label? BIS label is the national standard body of Indian established under the BIS Act 2016 for the harmonious development of the activities of standardization, marking and quality certification of consumer goods. And the next point is how many members are there in BIS? The Bureau is body corporate consisting of 25 members representing both central and state governments, members of parliament, industry, scientific and research institutions, consumer organizations and professional bodies, with Union Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution as its president and with. And next point is how do I use BIS logo? BIS logo must be put on every registered product and packaging after getting the BIS registration number of the particular product. The logo should be non-washable and non-removable. It is better to put it either by embossing or printing. And next point is what is BIS certification mark? The standard mark is compulsory for certain types of electronics and IT goods. whereas the ISI mark is mandatory for product categories such as cement, household electrical products, food products, steel materials, etc. The ISI mark is also used for several voluntary BIS certification product categories. This is the information regarding BIS. Basically, BIS is Bureau of Indian Standards to correct the product's quality, to get the correct quality of the products, and it is a control regarding the manufacturing units regarding their products. This is a safeguard to BIS, Bureau of Indian Standards is a safeguard to the best quality to the consumer. Wishing you all the best.